Taiwan mga kapatid, ipinakita ang puwersa nila no sa China matapos magsagawa mga kapatid ng live fire drills no. Pagkatapos na magsagawa ang China ng live fire drills, eto naman ngayon ang Taiwan. Ipinakita din sa China mga tol na talagang hindi sila papayag sa gusto ng China na reunification mga tol. Mukhang talagang papalag itong Taiwan mga tol. Ayon nga rito sa report mula rito sa WION, Taiwanese President Lai Ching-te has said that it will not cede an inch, mga tol, it will not cede an inch of its territory. This comes after the Taiwanese troops on Thursday conducted live fire drills on an outlying island in the Taiwan Strait. No, yan ang ating aalamin ngayon. Bigyan natin to ng reaction video and commentary. Bago natin to simulan, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka pag may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Panoorin na natin to mga tol.
Story that we are tracking at this hour. Taiwanese President Lai Ching-te has said that it will not cede an inch of its territory. This as Taiwanese troops conducted live fire drills on an outlying island in the Taiwan Strait.
Diba nitong nakaraan mga tol, nagsagawa ng live fire drill itong China, no, para ipakita sa Taiwan kung gaano sila kalakas at ang puwersa nila mga tol. Eto, bumawi ang Taiwan mga tol, bumawi, no. Nagsagawa rin sila ng live fire drills nila. At after nun, eto nga sinabi ni Lai Ching-te, no, that it will not cede an inch of its territory mga kapatid. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi nila isusuko mga tol. Alala niyo sinabi ni President Marcos, parang ganun. Hindi daw tayo mawawalan ng kahit inch ng ating teritoryo. Eto naman, sabi naman ng Taiwan President, it will not cede an inch o kahit na isang pulgada mga tol, hindi nila isusuko mga tol. Yan ang sinasabi nila, no? Talagang papalag, no, itong Taiwan.
2 days after China held a live firing exercise in the strait. Lai's remarks came during a visit to the Kinmen Islands of China for the 75th anniversary of a victory over communist forces in the Battle of Gunning 2. Without naming China, Lai Ching-te insisted that, quote-unquote, any external forces would not be allowed to change the future of the islands. Now, Beijing claims the island as part of its own territory and has said it will never renounce the use of force to bring it under control.
Yun nga sinasabi ng China di ba? Hindi sila magdadalawang isip na gumamit mga tol ng puwersa para talagang matupad yung matagal na nilang hangarin na etong Taiwan masakop nila o mabawi nila mga tol.
The day and nighttime exercises were held on Penghu Island in the narrow passage separating Taiwan and China. Taiwan's Defense Ministry called it a part of regular exercise held over several days.
So gumanti ang China mga tol, no? Gumanti ang China. Gumanti ang Taiwan mga tol, no? Sa China. Kung iniisip nyo na kayo lang ang malakas, eto kami, eto yung puwersa namin, sabi ng Taiwan.
During this, it said, the Taiwanese soldiers practiced preparing for combat in the event of a Chinese air and sea infiltration of the island. Flares lit up the night sky as troops using mortars, machine guns and grenade launchers unleashed a barrage of fire and provided cover for the M60A3 tanks and the CM21 armored vehicles during one of the drills.
Talagang ipinapakita nila na hindi namin isusuko, no, kahit nagpulgadan teritoryo namin. Taiwanese kami, hindi kami Chinese. Parang ganon mga tol, no?
假想敌军利用夜间视线不良的状况，对我军实施突击登陆。那也请国人相信我。
Now, we ask the people of our nation to have faith in us. We are ready to protect our beautiful homeland.
我们准备好了，美丽家园。
Kaya yung mga tao rin sa Taiwan mga tol, no? Hindi sila masyadong kabado. Hindi talaga as in mga tol, hindi umi-stop yung mundo nila dahil dito sa mga pagbabanta ng China, no? Titiwala sila sa kakayanan din ng kanilang gobyerno. Though maliit na bansa lang sila mga tol, pero maunlad, yun ang maganda.
由我们守护。
Just a day ahead of the live fire drills by Taiwan, a Chinese aircraft carrier group sailed through the sensitive waterway. The Chinese Navy ships accompanied the Liaoning aircraft carrier as it transited the strait, which Beijing said was perfectly normal. That followed China's live fire drills near Taiwan on Tuesday and a large-scale military exercise around the island last week when Beijing deployed fighter jets, warships and Coast Guard vessels.
Oo, napakarami nun yung dineploy ng China. Sobra, pinaikutan nila yung Taiwan. After no, nagsagawa sila ng live fire drill din sa pinakamalapit naman na isla.
Those exercises were in response to Taiwanese President Lai Ching-te's National Day speech on October 10th, in which he vowed to resist annexation and insisted that Beijing and Taipei were not subordinate to each other.
Ito rin itong pinapangambahan mga tol na pwedeng susunod pang magkakaroon ng malaking labanan no? Bagamat may nangyayari na mga labanan dito sa Middle East mga tol, dagdag mo pa yung nangyayari sa Russia at saka sa Europe, girian ng North at saka South Korea, China, Japan, eto ngayon, China and Taiwan.
And for more on this, TVBS correspondent Isabel Wang has sent us this ground report.
President Lai Ching-te marked the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Guningtou in Kinmen, a crucial 1949 conflict that secured Kuomintang control of the island and halted communist expansion to Taiwan. At the commemoration, Lai highlighted the battle's historical importance, echoing themes from his recent National Day address. 2 weeks ago, the president reaffirmed Taiwan's autonomy, saying China has no right to represent Taiwan and that the two sides are not subordinate to each other.
Talagang magkahiwalay daw sila at walang karapatan ng China na i-represent ang Taiwan kasi hindi kami Chinese, Taiwanese kami. Parang ganun.
On National Day, Lai emphasized the Republic of China's established presence in Taiwan, Penghu, Kinmen, and Matsu, asserting independence from the People's Republic of China.
Kulit tinataboy ka na pero mapilit ka pa rin. Kailangan kitang bawiin. Pero pinagtatabuyan ka na at ayaw na sa'yo.
He defined his presidential mission as safeguarding national progress and sovereignty. Keeping this observation in mind, President Lai thanked the veterans in attendance that morning for their service. After thanking attending veterans, Lai departed early due to illness, against the backdrop of rising Taiwan Strait tensions. This follows the Penghu Defense Command's first nighttime live fire drills and China's recent Joint Sword 2024B military exercise, highlighting the region's growing security challenges. Ye Fengwei, Chen Xingxiang, Isabel Wang in Taipei for TVBS World Taiwan.
Alright mga kapatid, ayan talagang tumitindi ang tension dyan, Pero hindi nagpapatalo Taiwan mga tol. After magsagawa ng China ng kanilang live fire drills at kanilang mga exercises, eto. Gumante at dito sa exercises ng Taiwan ipinakita nila na talagang hindi sila susuko kahit anong gawing pananakot ninyo sa amin, kahit na anong gawin ninyong pang-intimidate sa amin, papalag kami. Sabi nga ng sundalo, di ba? Ang gusto daw nila mangyari, magtiwala sa kanila yung mga Taiwanese o yung mga mamamayan nila na ipagtatanggol nila ang kanilang beautiful homeland. Yun ang sabi mga tol. So talagang asahan na natin na hindi talaga basta-basta makukuha ng China itong Taiwan. Ang ganun lang kadali sa pamamagitan ng mga pag-i-intimidate nila at pananakot nila. Hindi bibigay ang Taiwan kasi nga lalaban sila. Sabi nga ganun ng president, di ba? It will not cede. It will not cede an inch of its territory, mga tol. Tulad ng sinabi ni President Marcos, di ba? We will not lose. Di ba? We will not lose. Not an inch, 'di ba, of our territory. Pero eto mga tol, ang Taiwan mukhang mas malakas pa ata, kaysa kumpara sa atin. Hindi ko alam mga tol, baka sabihin niyo na naman minamaliit ko yung bansa natin, pero kayo na lang bahala humusga. Anyway, bilang isang Pilipino, ano masasabi niyo diyan? Comment ka na lamang sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Jobaldi. Peace out.